Recently, one of my friend shared me this money making idea that he has been using successfully for more than an year, and I thought I thought of like sharing this with all of you. This is really interesting because like almost like I never thought of making an income source from this idea, but this is really interesting. Is making more than 25k or to 30k range every month by selling ATS friendly resume templates. Yes, you heard it right. You might feel like how can one can do it, like if people with no experience, how can they do it? I will share a step by step process where you can sell ATS friendly resume templates and earn money regularly. And this is going to be a recurring income source because you only sell it once, but people will buy it multiple times, multiple people will buy it, so you can earn money. All you have to do is like, first thing, you need to create an account on Etsy. You might have heard about Etsy, like it's a maybe selling and buying exchange platform. So like you can create a seller account easily and you can start selling right away in Etsy. You don't need multiple stuff. So you can see here like people are selling resume templates here, and you can see like how much they are charging. Some are charging 835, 815, some are charging 1400. So most likely like people who are selling $10, people selling for $10, and some were giving more discounts like 86 rupees, like it's a cheap, but if more people buy it then ultimately you will earn money. So people are, putting the rates, like you can set your own price as well. I will suggest start with the minimum one. But how you can do that? So all you have to do is like just open Canva and search for resume. You will find multiple templates. I can say like more than 100 or 200 templates here. You will find templates for like almost all the roles, but this is not the case here. You need to sell ATS friendly resumes, not a normal plain resumes, like no one will buy it, right? So but how you can do that? All you have to do is like open one resume and let's click customize this template. So all you have to do is like just copy all the information here. I just copied it. Open ChatGPT and ask something like this: I want you to customize this resume for the HD one role. Let's suppose like you are creating a resume for software development engineer one. The template custom is, and I want it to be ATS friendly, and the experience range should be maybe 2 to 3 years. So this is what I'm creating now, and I just pasted all the information which is there in that particular resume. And instead of asking I want you to customize this resume, I'm writing resume template. And I will also mention something like I want to share this as a template for for all the job seekers. Okay, so I'm asking ChatGPT to customize this particular resume template, like which I have just opened here, this one, and I'm asking it to come up with maybe 2 to 3 year experience HD1 resume template, and I want it to be ATS optimized as well. Just it is asking me a few questions because like I customize my chat GPT to ask me multiple questions, so that like I will get the better response. But in your case, if you do that, it will just give you information. It might not ask you all these questions, but I want it to be more clear, so it's okay. It is asking, do you want realistic example experience? I'll say yes. Should the template use only front end, back end, or full stack experience? I will say full stack. For all the roles, like you can create the same resume for digital marketer. You can create a same template for maybe content writer or a graphic designer or a project manager or a product owner. Like you can create templates for almost all the roles. I will share like how you can do that. And or play I just want the plain text. It is asking how do I want the format to be. So now it will give me the result. It will give me the resume with suitability for HD1 role. Let's see. Yes, it's giving me all the data. Now all I have to do is like I just need to change the details here. That's it. I don't have to do much thing. Here you can see you can change the personal information. You can change the summary based on this. Like this is the summary that it provided. And key skills you can replace. You can replace the skills with the key skills with the particular skills that it has shared, certifications, projects, and all. So you all you have to do is like just replace all the details here with the details given by ChatGPT. That's it. Once it is done, you can save this as an image. Because you have edited this in Canva, it will remain your Canva projects, and you can share that template on Etsy. So if people who really need that, like if you say like HD1 resume template for 80 rupees or 100 rupees, people will reach out to you. Or you can, if they provide you the details, you can customize the template and sell it with them. So this is how simple it is to create or maybe to start a resume selling business, 8 years resume selling business in Etsy using Canva and ChatGPT. And you can create templates like this, many, like you can create many such templates easily, because this is only one template. You can see like there were many templates, and you can create maybe HD1 resume template, maybe 10 such templates, and sell 10 templates for $10 or 10 templates for 800 rupees, so that people will buy the same resume with 10 different templates. Because like people might need it. Most of the job seekers really care about the resume and CV, so it's really important. And you can have multiple niches, like you can create resume for HD1, HD2, as I said, digital marketer, automation tester, or multiple roles. Whatever the role that you feel is relevant, you can create such templates and sell on Etsy. This is the best way, because like all you have to do is like just customize the template and store the template as an image, right? So you can show people that okay, I will share all these templates with your details. So you can just collect the details from the people and sell them, not just on Etsy. You can, maybe if you're active on X or LinkedIn, you can share the same thing. If you want 8 years 10 8 years friendly resumes for you on your details, I will just do it for you in an hour or so. And again, you don't need to edit that as well. Just go to Chat GPT and share their details, I mean the one that you are willing to customize your resume on, and it will give you the edited template as well. You can just copy and paste on Canva. Done. So you can do this for multiple roles, so you will get clients, or you will get maybe resume projects every single day. So this is one of the best way to make some decent income without having to think too much. Like this is something that ChatGPT is taking care of. Canva is there to give you the result. So all you have to do is like just do some work by spending some time. That's it. I hope you find this helpful. If you feel anyone else would get benefit from this video, please make sure you share this video with them. Also, if you're a new visitor to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will share more such cool stuff on AI, passive income, etc. Just subscribe so that you don't miss any. Thank you for watching.